Hi, I'm Chucky, and I'm your friend to the end.
Hey guys, so we have this awesome horror movie collection. We have Michael Myers from Halloween, Gizmo from Gremlins, we have Chucky from Chucky, we have Leatherface from Texas Chainsaw Massacre, and then we have It from the movie It. So we're gonna unbox these and show you what they look like. Alright, so first up we have Leatherface. These inflatables are all gonna be 5 feet tall. Alright, so there he is. Look at his ugly teeth and mouth. Let's see what he looks like inflated. I always thought that this guy looks like a South Park drawn character. I think it's because of the weird mouth. But here he is. You can see how big he is.
Cool.
I don't know if this is automatically noticeable. Oh, let's see. Stitches around his face. So here you can see he says have a sawsome Halloween. And then here is his apron, and it does have a blood splatter on it. Alright, so who's next? Alright, so this is Chucky here. You can see his scars on his face and the good guys on his overalls. Alright, let's inflate him.
Look at his face.
There he goes. His creepy blue eyes and his orange hair. See, now Chucky is a more famous, like, readily recognizable villain. There he is with his orange hair. What does it say? I'm your friend till the end.
Hi, I'm Chucky,
your friend till the end.
and I'm your friend to the end.
Alright, who's next? Alright, It is up next. Another orange hair one.
Right here.
These are all 5-footers with the price is all the same, $35 from Walmart. Alright, there he is. We have an inflatable It, but it's a car buddy, I think.
Oh yeah.
Oh, we should put a balloon on him, huh?
Hello?
Yeah, that would look cool
Oh,
with
yeah.
a balloon. Except it wouldn't float like the whole time. Oh, he's tangled up. Look at his teeth. Alright, here is It. You can see his outfit, his white outfit with the little red accessories. And then there is his sign. It says, is it Halloween yet? Not yet. Not yet, It, but almost. Alright, 3 down, 2 to go. Who's next? Alright, Michael Myers is next from Halloween movie. It specifically says Halloween 2, but okay. It's a whole franchise. You know, maybe we could put him behind the bushes. Like hiding in the bushes. Alright, there we go. Look at his face.
Shot in the face.
There they are. They're all kind of cartoony, so they're not too scary. So this one says, have a killer Halloween. I like that the sign is purple. So this is the Michael Myers. I keep saying Mike Myers compared to the other one. And then we have our last little guy to go. We have Gizmo. Yeah, we're gonna unbox Gizmo next.
I like that gremlin with the lipstick.
Oh, I know.
Or Freddy Krueger.
Or Freddy Krueger, yeah.
Freddy Krueger.
Alright, so here is the Gizmo. You can see his little toes. Some people say that Gremlins is a Christmas movie. I think it is. But he's wearing a Halloween jack-o'-lantern, so This guy is 4.5 feet tall, so you could tell he's a little bit shorter than the other ones. So here is the Gizmo with his little toes. Magwai, Magwai.
He's the only one who doesn't have a sign.
He doesn't have a sign, yeah, he's just here, front and center. Everyone else is here. Now we need Gemmy to come out with, we need Freddy Krueger and Jason and maybe the Gremlin. But let us know which one of these guys is your favorite. Thank you guys so much for watching, and bye.